Yes. Back to
Bro, you really got me unmuted now? You want to talk shit about me and mute me, but then whenever, like, bro, go play with your pussy. Go
He
play with
has
your
a
kitty, bro.
big
You
one
don't
in the
lie.
back. Joe,
Go play with your
let
pussy,
me see
bro.
your batty hole. You.
Play with that bitch, DJ. This nigga coochie fatter than mine, y'all. That's crazy.
Let me see your batty hole. You.
That nigga wish he was pulling bitches like me, bro. I'm
No.
not even gay. That
No.
says a lot.
Let me see.
Thank you,
I'm sure
Otto.
it's
I
in the
love all of
dungeon.
y'all.
Barney, stop it.
Y'all, when is King going back
TikTok is
live?
gonna take me down. King, I don't know. I don't know if he's gonna go live. Maybe I don't know.
Bro, why are these niggas still on our live?
He's
Like, they don't
funny as
like us so
fuck.
much.
I
But they
love to
sing
go in
it.
King's chat. I ain't gonna lie. Girls
Me
over
too. I like
there,
Shelly.
they're funny. They're funny. They're funny. Check in Vany. You see? Look, he's hungry. Go eat. You're hungry. Go eat.
Bro, this nigga sniffing his fingers,
Yeah,
bro. What
because
the
he just
fuck?
done with his big
Oh, Nisi, bro. This
balls.
nigga sniffing his fingers, chat.
Ew. After he did that, then he tried to sniff it.
Look at him. His motherfucker. You cannot convince me these niggas are
When
like,
I go to
what? They're not.
strangers, I don't allow them to touch me because you don't know what they be doing with their hands, and then they come and touch you.
Just like these niggas, bro.
They're just admiring each other. All you see them. Montreal just want to know how to cock up D, like which position he gonna set him in later on. Maybe some doggy style.
Montreal want his ass ate by me.
Yo, some doggy style.
BB eating Montreal ass,
Guys,
y'all. In the
some,
red LED lights.
y'all are crazy. Story know that I was talking about me and you know bestie. Yes. So you mean to tell me that?
Then why are you still on the live, bruh? If we all four piss you off, boot, bye. The fuck? Get out my
Block them.
chat with
Just
it.
don't answer them. Block them. Block them. Block them.
All four of them piss me off. Sound corny as hell. Bitch, you sound corny as hell. The fuck? You still in the live? Pick me, asshole. The fuck wrong with you? You smoking too much of that shit. It's going straight to your
Yeah, you
brain.
need to mute them because that's the attention they want. Yes. So back to the.
Y'all, now I got time today. Let's do it.
Mommy, they're talking
Let's
about
go.
your filter. What filter? What filter I have on? What filter? What filter? Filter where? Huh? Filter where? What filter? Oh, fillers. What fillers? Girl! What fillers these hoes talking about? Look! Look, 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 look.
He eat ass. He has no reason.
What
Of course he gonna talk
fillers?
shit. He eat ass.
What fillers? My lips are naturally big to suck big dick that you don't got. What fillers? I never got fillers in my lip. I only got a V shape at the top. What fillers? I'm trying to go with some old picture to show you. And this is me and my dog. Remember when you're a little bit younger. What fillers you talking about? Girl, don't hate because I'm naturally born blessed. Like, don't hate. Don't hate that I got something that y'all have to pay for. I'm telling you, don't hate. Fillers where? I could show you the dates of these two. Oh, that's not sure, man. Fillers where? Girl. Haters. These bitches are haters. Fillers where?
Y'all, it's the fact these niggas really got all night. They really getting views off us.
Fillers where? These lips are naturally big. Fillers where? Let me tell you, the difference between Jamaican girls and some of the girls over their chat is that Jamaican girls don't have to do much. They're naturally blessed with it. They were blessed with natural big lips. They were blessed with naturally tight pum pum.
Hold on, stop.
They're blessed with
Stop.
big ass.
Stop. I
And
have
they're
no
blessed
father
with
figure.
beauty.
My father's
So
been in
check
my
about the
life my
girls from the
whole
Caribbean,
life.
African. They don't gotta do too much.
My father's
Jamaican,
been in,
island
hold on, I'm gonna
girls,
mute you real quick.
African
My
girls,
father's been in my
they're
life my
born
whole
blessed,
life.
baby.
He taught me how to
You know
build
what I mean?
houses, how to cook, how to work on cars, how to do tattoos. Nigga, y'all better go find somebody else to play with. My dad is outside right now, smoking a blunt. What the fuck are you talking about, bro?
Yo, Mari's so funny. Yo, hold on.
Bro, y'all
What
sound
Mari's
dumb
talking
as
about?
fuck. Y'all are on here for views, bro. Go eat ass. Get the fuck off of here. D, you go eat an ass. Montreal, you go play with your pussy. At the end of the day, y'all are both kitty wit.
He has a big one at the back.
Veneers, baby. My smile is natural. I'm gonna keep these gaps too.
Hold on. Teeth that are in my mouth, they can't afford that. I don't they even make
D,
that.
go get a new
You're
face. You look like you eat men
95. You're
booties.
95. Never pay you the amount of money that pays my mouth. You don't have that type of money.
Makeup.
TikTok doesn't give you
I
that
have
money.
lip liner on.
Money that I spent to put these in, you never make them once in your life. Not even if you add them up from a younger age till this age, you never make them. So you can't even talk about these.
D, have you ever seen a natural
One of my
female in your
videos.
life? You're really on the edge, bro. You eat so much ass, it's making you
Guys.
delusional. Like,
Guys,
bro,
I'm
that
telling
damn
you.
booty hair is getting stuck in your brain, and it's making you lose.
Guys, this gonna be like a reward. This is like a competition. And y'all know how I get down. When I say I'm not moving, bro, I'm not moving. I'm gonna sit right here until 6 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10. When the phone is almost died, I'm gonna plug the charger in right here because you know what? I'm in my house. I've been made my money already. I'm gonna sip on some alcohol. And if I feel like my friends are live, I have another phone. I could go on TikTok. I have 40,000 coins on my account. I could go and gift. I have another phone right here. I have an iPad right here. When my baby's awake, I go feed him. I go change him, put him back to sleep. I have a big old couch right here. I'm not moving. I'm not going nowhere at all.
I mean,
Let's see who gonna win tonight. Let's see who gonna win.
Vany.
Yes, pum pum little and tiny.
I'm trying to battle. Is you trying to help me battle?
When you want to battle?
I want to battle in a minute. These niggas are poochie.
No. You go. I'm not going nowhere.
I know. I'm saying because you said that you could.
No, baby. Listen. Don't make you don't sleep. Go sleep or go battle. If you want to go battle, you go. But I'm gonna show these niggas that I don't gotta go. I don't have to. So if you want to go, you could go, baby. It's okay. I'll give you. I'll still watch you. I'm out of phone.
Newly released video.
But until then, guys, we're gonna show this. I have time.
Okay. Hold on, y'all. I am finna battle though.
Bye. Text. Send me your live if you need. If you're like need help over there, I got you. I'm gonna stand on business, y'all. I'm gonna get comfortable right here. These hoes are muted. I'm gonna talk to y'all. I'm gonna be on my phone. I'm gonna take another shot. The fuck? I'm gonna go turn the AC up because I'm feeling hot as fuck. Wrong punch. Wrong punch. Yeah, pussy, if I tap in a chance. Oh, you deal with the bus. Add Roger. No, I can't add Roger because Roger will want to play match and I'm not playing any match with them. So no, I'm not gonna add Roger. Hold on. I got some business to take care of now. Wait. When is the giveaway? Y'all, I want to try to what for Jamaica? I haven't sent the American one off. I am gonna send it off tomorrow, and then
Now look at my baby.
I'm a which one is it? And then I'm gonna do Jamaica in.
Okay, but I'm finna go battle, y'all.
Bye bye, baby. I'll see you soon. When you getting off?
I'm not getting off. I'm finna go battle, but
No,
right now.
when you're getting off?
Right now.
No, as in when you're gonna come off live itself.
Oh, what time is it? Probably like 1 in the morning.
In the morning?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll definitely see you. I'm not coming off for now.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send you my live, okay?
Yeah, when you find someone, send me your live.
Okay.
Now these hoes leave up with the big dogs. We're gonna show them. Now it's just me and them. Ah! Y'all think you win? Cause she left? Huh? Ah! Guys, they think they won. Y'all, they think they won because Mari left. Baby, you still have one standing. The champion. You still have one standing because look, I'm making money. Way more than the gifts I get on TikTok. It's called side hustle. Bitch ass. Y'all, but for real though, I do need to put y'all on this. Cause you could make like $1,000 in 1 hour or less than an hour. I'll put you on soon. Tell me what. Nah, y'all haters are on the live. I can't tell you how I make money like that. What the